Plastering Services Wakefield. Are you ready to transform your space with a flawless, professional plaster finish? We are proud to serve homeowners and businesses with top-quality plastering services. Whether it's a home renovation or a commercial project, we've got you covered. Our team of experienced plastering contractors brings years of expertise to every job. From re-skimming walls to plastering over artex and providing dry lining solutions, we handle projects of all sizes. We take pride in our attention to detail and customer satisfaction. Our qualified and insured team delivers high-quality workmanship with minimal disruption to your daily life. Plus, we offer competitive pricing and free quotes to ensure you get the best value. Ready to get started? Contact us today for a free, no-obligation quote. Call now on 07480677101.